Hello everyone, I'm Jay and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you the pronunciation of some casual clothes in English. If you are new to our channel or you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to say these clothes in English together. Please give it a try. Hat, hat, hat. Cap, cap, cap. Sweater, sweater, sweater. Gloves, gloves, gloves. Jeans, jeans, jeans. Boots, boots, boots. T-shirt, t-shirt, t-shirt. Polo shirt, polo shirt, polo shirt. Tracksuit, tracksuit, tracksuit. Shorts, shorts, shorts. Socks, socks, socks. Sneakers, sneakers, sneakers. Sandals, sandals, sandals. Hoodie, hoodie, hoodie. Cardigan, cardigan, cardigan. Pajamas, pajamas, pajamas. Swimsuit, swimsuit, swimsuit. Flip-flops, flip-flops, flip-flops. Did you find this video helpful? I upload videos on English pronunciation every week. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Jay signing off. See you again real soon. Stay safe, everyone. Goodbye.